Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. The Group 11 will present the Encyclopedia. The members of Group 11 are me, Wahyuni, Marzukah, ningsi, and Nurhidayah. For the table of contents, 1. Morphology Aves. Explain about morphology Aves, which will presented by me. 2. Psychology and anatomy Aves. Explain about psychology and anatomy Aves, which will presented by Nurhidayah. 3. Classification and zoogeography Aves. Explain about classification and zoogeography Aves, which will presented by ningsi. And lastly, role in human of life. Explain about role in human of life, which will presented by Marzukah. Morphology Aves. Aves in the nation of bird of the nation of all. Birds are generally active during the day, and the shape is very attractive because the bird's body is covered by beautiful feathers. The other shape of the bird's body has the flowing parts. The body consists of head, column, or shellfish, which commonly called a long neck, easy to move, a various direction protected by fine hairs. The mouth has a rostrum or big wheel by the maxilla under the top and the mandible below. At the top of the beak there is nostril consisting of the nares, internal nares are inside and external nares are outside. At the base of the rostrum or upper beak there is a skin protrusion, the soft one scalene serum. Eyes organ of fashion surrounded by hairy skin. On the back under the two pair of eyes, or on the dorso-caudal side of the eyes, there is the pars acousticus externus, or the external air canal. The truncus or body is covered with hair which also have beautiful color. The bird nation in making movement, especially when flying, perform using the wings and when walking with a speed. Various big shape in Aves. Big-shaped mid-adults such as eggley, and kestrel. Granulating big steps such as pipits, parrots, and sparrows. The shape of the beak it insects, caterpillars, and plants such as fringed fishes and swamp succulents. The shape of the beak fits on fish, shrimp, and worms such as storks, pelican, and flamingos. The fetus form of feet close on Aves or the feet of the Columbian bird have the toes forward and the toes back. Swimmer feet. The gap between the toes has a swimming membrane. While bird feet or grippers has a short size and very sharp cockroach. Petangus feet have long toes and all toes are flat bent.
Okay, I will explain about physiology and anatomy of Aves. Physiology of Aves. Respiration system. In addition to having lungs, birds have breathing apparatus called air sacs. In birds, diffusion of respiration gas occurs only in the lungs. Birds' lungs are a pair and are located in the thoracic cavity, which is protected by the ribs. In addition to having lungs, birds have breathing apparatus called air sacs. In birds, diffusion of respiration gases occurs only in the lungs. Birds' lungs are a pair and are located in the thoracic cavity, which is protected by the ribs. Excretion system. This animal has a pair of metanephric kidneys and ureters as channels. In addition to a pair of kidneys, Aves also have lungs which are used to enter and remove respiratory or oxidation residues in the form of carbon dioxide. In zebras, the excretion of metabolic residual salts is carried out through the nares or nostrils. Circulation system. The hairs of birds and mammals have four perfectly separated chambers. Thus, there has been a complete separation between carbon dioxide-rich blood and oxygen-rich blood. Anatomy of Aves. Number 1. Skeleton. Joints are generally fused, has a large breastbone or sternum as a place of attachment for the muscle associated with the humerus. Hollow bones, very light. Number 2. Muscle or sinew. have strong muscle that connects the sternum and humerus. Enlargement of the chest muscle called carina. Number 3, digestion. Aves ordo apodiformes can eat as much as its body weight. Do not have teeth for chewing but have gissers or stomach muscle filled with gravel to crush food. Number 4, respiration. Has a supporting organ in the form of an air bladder. Considered the animal with the most efficient respiration system, breathes faster. Number 5, circulation. Here with 4 perfectly separated chambers, work fast, 100 until 2000 beats per minute. Number 6, 5 senses. Aves have an extraordinary level of vision. Eagle can see rabbits within 1.5 km. Hearing is very sensitive, for example in pigeons. Some aves can detect prey by hearing. Aves' senses of smell is relatively poor. Number 7, reproduction. Adult females do not have a right uterus. Male aves generally do not have a penis. Some species are capable of mating during flight. Number 8, breathing. Air sac function. Pumping breathing air, reducing weight. The balance of flight, the humerus is filled with air in contact with the clavicular sac. Air supply while flying, diving, and flooring. Reduce internal organ friction, assist in egg production or defecation, sexual stimulation, or through the sound or sound produced.
This classification is divided into two, namely based on ecology and based on order. Based on ecology, number 1, equities aves consists of aves with 2 members. The feeders are equipped with an oil substances with various big shapes. Aquatic aves can swim but cannot fly. Number 2, terrestrial aves consist of animals that live in land areas with steady limbs for walking, equipped with legs on the back, and each has 2 toes. Number 3, hunted aves consist of birds that are often eaten by humans. These aves have 3 fingers on the back and are equipped with beautiful feathers, especially on the wings. Has a short beak with a more slender base of the beak. Number 4, aves griffin has membranes that are not with feet and stronger wings. The beak is shorter and the tongue is thick. Number 5, aves arboreal consists of birds that perch and have 3 toes to hang on to the branches. This type of aves has a beautiful song and is equipped with a short beak for eating grains, then having a longer beak for eating various insects. Based on order. Number 1, Passeriformes or songbirds, Stringiformes or owls. Number 3, Falconiformes or birds of prey. Number 4, Seasoniformes or cranes. Number 5, Polyniformes or doves. Number 6, Casuariformes or cassowary. Number 7, Visitaciformes or parons. Number 8, Galliformes or homo. Zoogeography. Indonesian geography. Based on the distribution area of fauna, especially Indonesian birds, is divided into 2, namely the first between the islands of Lombok and the islands of Bali, and the second between the islands of Kalimantan and Sulawesi Islands. From the differences, the equivalence draws an imaginary line called the Wallace line. Almost all bird habitats are on land and are scattered throughout the continent. Birds with the highest diversity are found in the tropics. However, the rate of extinction in the tropics is also higher than in other regions. Currently, birds have been found in various places with various species. in declaring for Aves, Lake Aves, River Aves, Savannah Aves, and Cave Aves.
Thanks for the opportunity to me, and I'm Marzukah. I will explain about role in human life. Almost all of the potential of bird has been exploited by humans, both for consumption and economic needs. Protein, meat, and eggs are source of fat and protein that human needs. The beauty of the chirping and the color of certain types of bird cause humans to be interested in the maintaining them. In the past, the feathers of the Cendrawasih bird were used as headdresses by the tribes of Papua. Likewise, the flying ability of several types of pigeon is used for a hobby or contest. I think that's all from me. Thank you.